Gunmen steal over $8 million from JN MoneyGram in Mandeville. Suspected goat thief from St. Thomas, Kingston, chopped to death in St. Anne. Multi-million-dollar fraud uncovered at thef, 17 employees in custody. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Less than an hour before Deputy Superintendent in charge of operations Colin Johnson addressed the Manchester Municipal Corporation meeting on Thursday, 4 gunmen struck at a remittance outlet close to Mandeville Town Centre, making off with $8 million in a brazen armed robbery. A police source confirmed that the robbery happened about 9:30 a.m. Reports are that the gunmen entered the remittance center and held up the establishment, demanding access to cash. The robbery, which was caught on CCTV, showed the robbers moving workers at gunpoint before escaping with over $8 million. It is also reported that a customer who had completed a transaction at the outlet was also robbed of cash. It was also stated that a high-level probe has been launched into the robbery. No one was injured during the incident. The St. Anne's Bay Police are investigating the mob killing of a man in Alderton District, Claremont in the parish on Wednesday, April 12. Dead is 28-year-old Tevin Pinnock, otherwise called Shatty, a laborer of Ramble in St. Thomas and Windward Road, Kingston 2. Reports from the St. Anne's Bay Police are that about 7 p.m., law enforcers were summoned to a scene where a man was allegedly mobbed after he tried to steal some goats. On their arrival, Pinnock was seen with chop wounds all over his body. A female who reportedly accompanied him was arrested and taken into police custody. Investigations continue into the development. 17 employees of thef Group are now in police custody in connection with a multi-million-dollar fraud case. 13 other employees who are wanted in connection with the case are on the run and are being sought by investigators, Deputy Police Commissioner Fitzbailey announced during a press conference on Thursday. Investigators believe that the company was defrauded of approximately $160 million. More details to come following further investigations.